I have a problem. Let me explain.
I have a problem. Let me explain.
I'm just kidding. I don't really have a problem. This is a story about how I instantly lost $1,000. I just threw it away. The story begins about 2 months ago. It's graduation, all right? So I'm graduating, and as a present, I get a DJI Mavic Air. Here you go, Adam. Oh, I wonder what it is. DJI Mavic Air. Bam. Brand new, $1,000. Holy crap. I'm excited. I'm sitting there and I'm thinking, what am I gonna do with this drone? Well, I'll make videos with it. So I go out and I just start filming, and I make a silly little video. I already posted it, so you'll see it right now. And then before, like a while ago, we were planning a trip to Hawaii, and I'm thinking, oh, I'll take my drone to Hawaii. I'll just film it. I'll film everything we do with this drone. It'll be really cool, really vibey. It'll just be awesome. Like, I'll just take it, fly it everywhere, go boom, and boom, and boom. And it's great. Great plan, right? I'll have an awesome video of Hawaii from like 500 feet in the air. Amazing. And so we get there, we land first day on the beach. I'm just kind of sitting there and I'm like, this would be an awesome spot to film. Like, the view of the water is crystal clear, extremely blue. And well, here, check this out. So I'm flying it, and then the wind starts to pick up, and it's a little breezy when I took off, like not too bad. Like, all right, like I've flown in like breezes before, but the wind just starts really going, and it's all going out towards the ocean, and my drone is out over top of the ocean. And so I'm like, well, shoot, like it still looks cool. I'm sure I can get it back. It's just gotta fight the wind a little bit. I wasn't too worried about it. And then it starts beeping. At 30% battery, the remote starts beeping at you like, hey, start bringing it back. So I'm like, all right, cool. I'm 1,500 feet out there. That's pretty freaking far. How many miles is 1,500 feet?
The answer is 0.28 miles.
So that's like a third of a mile. It's over the ocean, 1/3 mile. So I start bringing it back and it's not moving. I see the distance number on the screen and it's staying still. The altitude drops, but it's still 1,500 feet. It slowly is coming back, but for the most part, it's out there, like it's far. And so it goes 30%, 20%. I start to get a little bit worried. It's like maybe 1,000 feet out there. And so I'm like, sure, I just gotta get this thing back. So I switch it into sport mode, which like really makes the propeller spin faster, killing the battery. And I just go full throttle forward and it sticks at 1,000 feet. Like it doesn't go any closer. And then it starts really beeping at me, like 5% battery left, and it's just beeping. And the altitude slowly drops, and I look at the screen, it says 1% battery. I start running. I'm just running. I was in a long sleeve shirt. I'm just hauling, and the drone, I look at the screen, it says 0%, and the video feed cuts in and out. You can see that now. 0%. I can see it. You're way out there. It's far. I'm like, I think that's it. You can kind of hear it buzzing a little bit. It's probably 100 feet still over the ocean, and it says auto landing. And then 0%, the battery dies, the video stops, and it just, boom, it just falls straight into the ocean. I'm running to see if I can catch it, thinking I'm like the Flash or something. I can just teleport there and boop, got it. No. And I see it splashes like crap. So I run back, I grab a snorkel, and I asked the guy who was standing in the water, he's like, yeah, I went that way. So I'm like, great. I'm swimming around for probably 15 minutes, and then out in the distance we see a black little spot kind of buried in the sand a little bit. I mean, the water is crystal clear, so you can see pretty far. And it never really got deeper than like 30 feet. So we're swimming, and we see it. My dad actually found it before I did. So he grabs the drone, and we're walking back, and here's a picture of it. And it's just salty water and sand all on every crook and nanny of this thing. It's crazy. Yeah, drone dead. First day in Hawaii. We were there for like 10 days. I was planning on filming everything. It just died. The first thing I did, I took the memory card out. I'm like, I wonder if I can at least get footage of it actually like hitting the water. Like, that would be cool. But drone died. So it was a pretty big deal. It's $1,000 drone. Just hit the water, just probably instantly died. It was under there for 15 minutes. Kind of going with the waves and stuff. So we get back to the room we were in, go on my computer, and I remember I had the warranty, but to use the warranty, you have to have the drone to send back, and they'll cover anything, but you just have to have the physical drone. It's like without that, I would have been screwed. Like, it would have actually been $1,000 down, but got a brand new one. They sent it. It came super fast. So it was waiting for me. I got back here. So yeah, now I have a brand new drone. I'll try not to do anything stupid with this one. So moral of the story, always get the warranty. Then you can be as stupid as you want, and it won't cost you hardly a penny. Yeah, fly your drone into the ocean. Yeah, get the warranty. Just an idea. Cool deal though. So that's how I ruined $1,000 drone instantly. Cool. So that's my story. Bye.